All right, ladies and gents, what's up? Welcome, traders. Back to another JS trading video. All right, let's look at the charts. Let's see what's been happening. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, Bitcoin, you know, stabilizing into the old support level, into the around the 20 to 22k mark. All right, it needs to break this resistance in order to go back into the 24k mark. Otherwise, we most likely will see a move to downwards back to 16k. People might have a lot of shorts up and ready to go. And if we see, all right, let's take a look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum, it's following the same move, breaking the 800 EMA far above, just as Bitcoin, going back into old support levels, staying around the 1500 mark, and it's a fast move up. Since Wednesday there were good CPI numbers. The USA brought out good CPI numbers. Bitcoin went up about 5k in a week. Ethereum went up nearly 400 in a week. Since Thursday. And if you see the dollar has been taking a hit. All right, it went down 132 to 120 compared to the yen. Euro, on the other hand, euro has just risen while dollar has been going down. And if you compare that to gold as well, forexes going down and futures just staying on the same or just keeping its value, increasing its value as well. Gold has moved far above the 800 EMA. All right, continuing the upward trend. All right, forming a nice W formation here and moving, retrace, moving back up. Let's see if we can, trying to draw out a bit for you guys so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So I'm not talking nonsense in your ears. Let's see, there you go. Gold forming in a nice formation, going upwards, retrace, going back up, probably maybe a retrace into the next level. But it's all going to be depending on the news that's going to come out next week. And the news will be coming from China, Canada, and England. Canadian dollar CPI numbers, statistics from Canada, even let's see, Great British pounds CPI numbers coming out. You can see the numbers right here. December 14, last time we had the CPI numbers, they were actually less than the forecast was, which is, not too bad, I suppose. And if you look at China, what's going to China? China's going to bring out gross domestic product numbers. Let's see, where's China? Where's China? I'm blind. There we go. There we go. China. All right, change in inflation adjusted. All right, the value of goods and all services produced by the economy in China. So is China actually spending more money? And we all know that these are heavily gonna influence the market, especially China. It's one of the biggest countries in the world economically as well. And England always a big influence on the market. We can always see when England opens, there's a lot of volume gonna come in. And you saw it this weekend as well, especially from China, by the way, and Asia on the whole. If we look back at Bitcoin, let's see if we zoom out a bit, if I can get you bigger. Zoom in right there. Big spike up, in the weekend as well. We're Saturday, Sunday, right here. Big volume, lots of liquidity, gonna go up. All right, to me, it looks like a fast move up, fast move down. All right, and if we take you into the next technical analysis, you might suppose, see the RSI numbers. Now, RSI way overbought could indicate that Bitcoin is going to go in a downwards motion, and also the MACD in the cross right here could also indicate a downwards motion for Bitcoin. You see it's breaking the line, breaking all the EMAs, going up fast, but it might go fast down as well. So I'm just telling you, right, be careful with your money. All right, take your profits while you can, especially with the news coming out next week, China. Be prepared, all right? I'm just warning you. I'm not telling you how to spend your money. I'm just warning you about the risk that's coming up next week, all right? And if we take a look at the Nasdaq as well, look at a couple indices. Nasdaq going in an upwards motion as well, tapping on the 200 EMA, quite not breaking it yet. S&P has broken the 200 EMA, going into the 800 EMA. All right, I'm just telling you to be mindful, because stocks are taking a hit, but futures are taking a stance, especially with the good news that came out midweek CPI numbers. All right. As always, happy trades, happy days. All right, take your profits as you can because you don't want to pay. All right, love and respect. Peace.